Hello, friends. I am Sean C. Harrison, a proud Jamaican and an even prouder black man. I would like to send special greetings to the beloved continent of Mother Africa and her wonderful people. And I would like to make this contribution to the outcry and to add my voice to the chorus of those who have a dream for our race, those who harbor hope beyond hope that our people will be restored and that what is rightfully ours will be relinquished by white supremacy. You cannot any longer continue to oppress our people. We must be given our due, and we must be accorded our due deference and reverence and respect as those who first birthed all the children of the world and gave life to its people. I would like to read for Black History Month this poem I wrote that is entitled To Right the Wrong of 400 Years, which is a part of my book, my Afrocentric collection of poems, The Black in Me, and The Black in Me second edition, to be found on the Amazon e-store shelves. Get your copies today. My people, my Nubians, my beloved African race, know this: a brighter day will come, a better day will come, and we will see it along with the world with our own eyes. Keep believing, my people. Keep believing, keep hoping, and know that what we dream will come to be. To right the wrong of 400 years. To right the wrong of 400 years will never take merely surface tears. The memory of the slime pit hulls branded vividly on our negroid skulls takes more than paltry penitence and empty words of good intents. For we were deeply, deeply dogged, rounded up, hounded like hogs, the majesty of black skin denigrated, Africa's sanctity forcibly penetrated. It'll take loads of cash, acres of land, heaping contraband, everything we've freely given. We black folk should be high living. We built you worlds. Is this our lot? We gave you pearls. Have you forgot? Give us your gold and your shilling. You'd think we are. No, you're the villain. Serve us now with gifts and grace. Lavish us before our face and tell our people from whence they came, and then get thee hence. For Africa waits to claim its own. It's time for change. We're fully grown. I would like to send a warning to all those who continue to oppress our race. In the media, we see continued broadcast of images of discrimination and cruelty meted out to our people. It will not always be. One day, you all will have to relinquish your hold. And as I said in another of my poems, the black man's lot shall be that of peace. I believe it with all my heart. And I charge you, my fellow Nubians, stand up and take your place in the grand scheme of things here and now. And as I said in another poem, seize the scepter and rest the eyes of Jehovah of the specter of your undoing by base men. It is high time. I am Sean C. Harrison. Blessings again to Mother Africa, and blessings to all Nubians around the world. Thank you.